Hi guys, welcome to Heather's Treasures. Today we are going to try to fit this oven into this slot here. So what I need to do is take a heat gun, loosen up my glue, and remove these things. Okay, so now that that's done, I need to sand down probably. I need to sand down 1/8 of an inch here. So I won't bore you with that. I'll go ahead and get that done and I'll be right back. Okay, I sanded it down and it still doesn't quite fit. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this bottom piece out and cut it. All right, before we go any further, I want to put some stainless steel vinyl on this oven door. You know, they put a little magnet on this one. Why didn't they do that on the refrigerator? Hey guys, this is my storage space that I'm building. I'm making my boxes. Some are out of scrapbook paper and some are made out of poster board with contact paper. And the wall and the bottom here is made of foam board and contact paper. And I just put on a wall, and so that's drying. So next I need to do is, I've got a few boxes made of like items, and then now I need to put on some horizontal shelves so that I can go up. And that's going to be the tricky part. But I wanted to show this to you to see if there was any interest in me showing you how I did this. So leave me a comment in the comment section below. Well, here it is. I gotta get some stronger magnets. Looks pretty good though. I like it. Need to do a little more paint job. A built-in oven. Yay! Alright guys. Like and subscribe and share. And we'll see you next time. Love you. Bye-bye.